Join me as I put the DJI Action 5 Pro to the test by capturing jaw-dropping 4K/120 FPS footage in some of the craziest locations you can imagine. The DJI Action 5 Pro is the latest addition to the action camera market, boasting some seriously impressive specs. It's designed to capture stunning video in a variety of environments, from rugged outdoor adventures to everyday life. As videographers, we've all been there, trying to capture high-quality video in less than ideal conditions. Lighting can be a major challenge, whether you're dealing with harsh sunlight or low-light environments. And then there's stabilization. Nothing's more frustrating than watching a video that's shaky and uneven. But it's not just lighting and stabilization that can be a problem. Sometimes it's the environment itself that makes it tough to get a good shot. Whether you're trying to capture footage in a crowded city street or in the midst of a chaotic sports event, it can be tough to get the shot you want. And let's not forget about the importance of ease of use. When you're in the moment, trying to capture a shot, the last thing you want to worry about is fiddling with complicated camera settings. You want a camera that's intuitive, easy to use, and gets out of your way so you can focus on capturing the action. The DJI Action 5 Pro addresses all these challenges head-on. With its 4K/120 FPS video capability, you can capture stunning footage that's smooth and detailed. The camera's stabilization technology is top-notch, reducing shake and blur even in rough conditions. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. Just point, shoot, and you're good to go. One of the things that really sets the DJI Action 5 Pro apart is its rugged design. This thing can withstand some serious punishment, from drops to dust to extreme temperatures. And with its compact size and lightweight design, you can take it anywhere. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a look at some of the stunning footage captured with the DJI Action 5 Pro. From the crystal-clear waters of a tropical island to the rugged peaks of a mountain range, this camera delivers. The footage is smooth, detailed, and full of life. You can see the intricate details of the environment, from the texture of the rocks to the movement of the water. And with the 4K/120 FPS capability, you can slow down the footage to really appreciate the action. Whether you're capturing footage of a thrilling adventure or just everyday life, the DJI Action 5 Pro delivers. The video is vibrant, engaging, and really draws you in. In summary, the DJI Action 5 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture stunning video. With its impressive specs, rugged design, and ease of use, it's the perfect camera for capturing life's adventures. So, what do you think? Have you had a chance to try out the DJI Action 5 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, and be sure to check out our next video where we'll be putting the camera through its paces in some even more challenging environments. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo, Waterproof Action Camera with 1.3 Sensor, 4K/120 FPS Video, Subject Tracking, Stabilization, Dual OLED Touchscreens, Action Camera 4K ideal for sports, vlog. Brand DJI. Photo Sensor Technology CMOS. Video Capture Resolution 4K. Maximum Focal Length 24mm. Maximum Aperture 2.8 f. Video Capture Format MP4. Supported Audio Format 48 kHz 16-bit, AAC. Screen Size 2.5 inches. Connectivity Technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Color Black. Capture Urban Nightscapes. Osmo Action 5 Pro features a new 1.3 sensor for stunning low light. Great for nighttime biking adventures in dark environments. Enhanced Subject Tracking, 4nm chip for fast, reliable framing. Keep fast-moving subjects centered. The 4nm chip ensures smooth and fast framing in 16:9 or 9:16. Action 5 Pro must be activated in the DJI Mimo App. Due to platform compatibility issue, the Mimo app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better usage experience, please scan the QR code on the camera screen prompt to download the latest version of DJI Mimo. Long-lasting all-condition use, experience the satisfaction of up to 4 hours of extended battery life. Ideal for all scenarios, ensuring continuous performance and unbroken recording. Vibrant, precise control, enjoy vibrant, true-to-life colors with dual OLED touchscreens. Crisp viewing ready for any scenario makes outdoor recording and rewatching fun again. Ultra-stable footage, achieve steady, high-quality footage with 360 degrees HorizonSteady. Ideal for vlogging and capturing sports from any perspective no matter how shaky things get. Professional audio, capture clear audio with DJI microphone connection, and get audio from DJI Mic 2/Mic Mini transmitter directly without needing a receiver. Perfect for moto vlogging, skiing, solo vlogging. Standard combo with standard accessories, provides the flexibility to upgrade selectively, perfect for simple outdoor activities. Great for creatives or anyone wanting a way to capture daily life. Timer shooting. Set a specific shooting time, and Action 5 Pro will wake up and start recording as scheduled according to your preset mode. This feature lets you avoid waiting around while ensuring you won't miss any critical moments. Third-party sports data integration. Cycling/motorcycling data recorded with Apple Watch, Garmin devices, or other third-party fit files can be added to your footage in a dashboard format, showcasing your professional edge. Pre-rec. Capture and retain exciting moments before the official recording starts. Live photos. Convert 3-second videos into dynamic photos and share vivid moments to social media. InvisiStick. Remove the selfie stick in the Mimo app to keep the focus on you, not the selfie stick. Additionally, you can quickly produce clean and vibrant slow-motion videos. 1. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo is a waterproof action camera featuring a 1.3 CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 4K/120 FPS video with subject tracking and stabilization, ideal for sports and vlogging. 2. It includes dual OLED touchscreens for vibrant color display and precise control, enhancing outdoor recording and viewing experiences. 3. The camera offers ultra-stable footage with 360 degrees HorizonSteady, suitable for vlogging and sports, ensuring high-quality recordings despite shaky conditions. 4. Professional audio capture is facilitated through DJI microphone connection, allowing direct audio input from DJI Mic 2/Mic Mini transmitters without a receiver, perfect for various vlogging activities. 5. The camera must be activated via the DJI Mimo App, which is not available on Google Play due to compatibility issues. Users can download the app using a QR code on the camera screen. 6. It provides up to 4 hours of extended battery life, ensuring continuous performance in all conditions. 7. The standard combo includes standard accessories, offering flexibility for upgrades, suitable for simple outdoor activities and daily life capture. 8. Features include timer shooting for scheduled recording, third-party sports data integration for enhanced footage, pre-recording to capture moments before official recording, live photos from 3-second videos, and InvisiStick for removing selfie sticks in the Mimo app.